Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the Google Street View mode in the NaviBridge application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the button at the top of the page on the left. And as you can see, the setting is now on the Google Map mode. And in order to enable the Google Street View, you need to be on the Google Map mode first. So if you want to switch that, just click on the Google Street View button. And as you can see, the setting is on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.